Want to find the best times to post on TikTok for your specific account? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find the best times to post on TikTok. Now let's get started. To find the best time to post on your TikTok page, first open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select TikTok Studio. Beside Analytics, tap View All. Then select Viewers at the top. Scroll down to the Most Active Times section. Here you can see when your viewers were the most active over the last 7 days. Use the arrows to look back over the previous 7 days to see what time of day your viewers were most active on each date. This can help you determine the best times to post depending on the day of the week. For example, on August 6th, which was a Wednesday, my viewers were most active at 2 a.m., while on Monday, August 4th, they were most active at 9 p.m. This can vary depending on your time zone and the demographics of your viewers. Take note of when your viewers are most active and use this as a guide for when you should post. You'll want to post a little before your viewers are most active so they can see your content when they're active on TikTok. If you're looking for a more general guideline on times to post, from the research we've done, it seems like 5 to 6 p.m. is a fairly good universal time to post on TikTok regardless of time zone and niche. That's all it takes to find the best time for you to post on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.